Hi, I'm Energy Ishan.
Hi everyone, my name is Ultraviolet.
Hi everybody, my name is Gravity Gracie.
I'm Dynamic Dylan.
I'm Kinetic Karnika.
And today we are going to show you guys how we can make fun sounds using a balloon. First though, we have to talk about different energies. There are two main kinds of energy, potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is energy that's all stored up, like a ball at the top of a hill or high air pressure within a balloon. Also like a piece of paper before it's burned. It has the energy to potentially do something. Kinetic energy means the energy of motion. A rolling ball, air particles vibrating when you pop a balloon, or even like an ice cube melting on a heat source are all examples of kinetic energy. Another thing we need to talk about is work. Work is the energy that one object does on another. Work is how energy gets transferred. Think about lifting something really, really heavy. It takes a lot of work to raise it all the way up. This is because you're putting in a lot of work against gravity to give that object potential energy.
For example, when I blow into this balloon and it inflates, I'm doing work to the balloon, and the balloon is taking that energy from my lungs and transferring it into potential energy in the air pressure of the balloon. When I hold the balloon in a certain way, I can transform the potential energy into sound energy. Or, if I really want a nice pop, I can transform all the potential energy into sound energy all at once.
This experiment shows that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but only transformed. The energy from Dynamic Dylan's food went to his muscles in his lungs. This went into the balloon, which went into sound, and which finally generated heat and many other forms of energy. So you see, kiddos, energy is fun.
Hey guys, I'm Dynamic Dylan and I'm here with Energy Ishan. Today we're going to be doing a water balloon drop experiment. In this experiment, we're lifting up the water balloon from the ground to a great height. This process is giving the balloon a lot of potential energy. When we drop the balloon over here, we're transferring that potential energy into kinetic energy. You can see this when we lose height but gain velocity. So, as I demonstrate now, I'm going to be tossing this water balloon over the edge, and hopefully we'll get some good imaging.
Okay, now that we've seen potential and kinetic energy in action, it is a good time to summarize what we've learned. In the experiments, we had some sort of potential energy. This means energy that is that it's stored. It's potential. You can do something with it, like make sounds or create movement, or as you may know it now, create kinetic energy. So, potential energy can be converted to kinetic energy. For example, in the water balloon experiment, the balloon was up high with lots of potential energy. When we dropped it, this energy slowly converted into motion or kinetic energy until it hit the ground and it released every energy that it had. We also learned that we need work to pass from one energy to the other. Imagine you have a heavy object on the floor because it fell. Then you would need to put a lot of work to pick it up and put it back to its original position. Now the object will have all the potential energy all over again. Thank you for being with us today. I hope you learned something new and exciting.